Welcome or welcome back to Natural Hair 101. My name is Jamila, and we're going to talk about some common scalp issues that you might be dealing with, as well as some few topical solutions that can help you with improving your scalp health. Number 1, seborrheic dermatitis, also known as dandruff, and this tends to happen due to yeast overgrowth, excess oil production on your scalp. So if you're dealing with stubborn dandruff, flakes, redness, or red irritated patches on your scalp, it could be seborrheic dermatitis. So a few simple remedies you could try are ACV rinses, and this will help with balancing your scalp's pH, dissolving the dandruff and excess buildup, and you could apply this right after shampooing. I would suggest doing this once a month, max twice, to avoid messing with your scalp's pH balance too much. And then we have tea tree oil, which has amazing antifungal properties, and you can use this and dilute this in a carrier oil and apply this on your scalp. You can use it as a pre-poo or leave it in on a clean scalp, and this will help with reducing the flakes. And you also want a really good dandruff shampoo. Here's a few that I would recommend. And now, scalp psoriasis.
Scalp psoriasis tends to get confused with seborrheic dermatitis because they both cause an itchy and flaky scalp. But an easy way to tell the difference: when you have scalp psoriasis, the flakes are tightly attached to your scalp and harder to remove, and the skin underneath is usually inflamed with clear defined edges that separate from the surrounding skin.
So a few remedies: aloe vera. You definitely want some aloe vera gel, and this will help with soothing and hydrating your scalp. You could do an aloe vera pre-poo or aloe vera mask and let that sit on your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. And I would definitely suggest doing this weekly if you want to see your scalp improve quickly. Coconut oil is also really good for scalp psoriasis because it provides intense moisture and can help reduce the dryness and flakiness. Here's a few shampoos that are also good for scalp psoriasis, and these are shampoos that have salicylic acid that is going to help with targeting the patches and soothe the irritation. Now we have eczema. Eczema on the scalp typically causes dry, red, inflamed patches with intense itchiness. Your scalp can be dry and flaky, but not as thick as scalp psoriasis. Some good remedies are oatmeal mask, and these can help with soothing and hydrating your scalp,
as well as some aloe vera gel, which can help with calming and soothing the inflammation.
And you definitely want to add some moisturizing shampoos in your routine as well. Lastly, tinea capitis. It's a fungal infection that causes scaly circular patches and hair loss as well. A few natural remedies: some tea tree oil, where you apply it on the affected area, some aloe vera, use it as a pre-poo hair mask to help with soothing the inflammation, and crushed garlic cloves for the antibacterial properties. You can make a little paste or mix it with a little carrier oil and apply it on your scalp, but you do want to patch test first. Alright, so my phone is dying and the sun is going down. So we said tea tree, aloe vera, and garlic cloves. But garlic cloves are very potent, so you never want to use it for more than like 10 to 15 minutes. So once you apply it, you want to remove it. So it's probably best to do this on your wash day as a pre-treatment. And lastly, a fungal treatment shampoo. Here's a few recommendations, and yeah.
But yeah, these are the most common scalp conditions, but there's definitely more. So if you're unsure of what scalp condition you may have, definitely consult a dermatologist for an accurate diagnosis.
So in this class, we covered topical ways you can treat these different scalp conditions. And in our next class, we'll talk about how to target them internally by looking at the best nutrients when it comes to your scalp care and hair growth. So yeah, this is all for today's class. My phone is about to die. I'm gonna go ahead and let my phone charge, and I will see you in the next video.